left window here. I'm next to a wall. This wall is pretty good for being able to like give you an idea of what your car sounds like even though you're not outside the car. And I'm gonna try to see if I can get launch control going. And see, traction control off and get on over to sport, no, dry. I like dry. Everybody ready? Gotta get rid of my glasses here because I can't read the damn car. 3, 2, 1. It just sounds like it did before, except a whole lot smoother. You know? It's just smoother, which is kind of what I was looking for. So, okay, I'll keep it going here. I'm gonna take a left and get on the highway here pretty quick. Tires are pretty cold too. Well, no, 30. Oh, they're actually saying cool. You can still hear the cracks, the pops, but not as well because the old system was basically pure bright, like 100% bright. Let's see if I can get some cracks here. Here we go.